Good morning to my lecturer, Mr. Muhammad Razif bin Muhammad Rati. My name is Ibrahim Bin Romi from group AD1183A, and today I will present for FEt226 sculpture, and for this semester we will learn more about forms. Firstly, in the form of this subject, there are the shape that's called biomorphic. Biomorphic is a model form that has artistic design features of natural pattern or shapes that usually forms organic shapes. Biomorphic comes from the combination of Greek word that is bios, which means life, while morphins means form. Biomorphics depict imagery in more abstract surrealist painting and sculptures. And this is the biomorphic form. As we see, the shapes of biomorphic form is more like nature. The nature form is. And next is the casting technique. Casting is the process in which liquid material is poured into a mold that has a cavity according to the desired shapes. The liquid materials will be filled until dense to get good result. The liquid materials will be allowed to harden and make it easier to separate the solid with the mold to end the process. And there are type of casting, and this is the metal casting. Metal casting is the process of melting metal using heat until it melts to be poured into the mold that has a cavity that forms something. The molten metal will be poured until solid and dry again. After that, the metal will be removed in the shape state. And this is the example of the metal casting, but this is for the aluminum. I saw this so many times in YouTube because they use it to make a knife or everything that make the shapes of things from the melting aluminum. And next is the lost wax casting. Lost wax casting is a technique in which the shape of a sculpture is covered with wax to make mold. After that, the sculpture found in the wax will be removed and leave the wax that has the sculptural cavity in it. The liquid material will be poured into the mold made from the wax. The heat resistance core will be used to prevent the metal from melting while filling the mold. And then for the form. Form is a three-dimensional shapes that distinguish two-dimensional shapes that flat and flat surface. The use of shadows and light is important to producing the sculptures to get a good three-dimensional result. For the conclusions, in the art of sculptures require an understanding of a particular shapes and situation to determine the attractive light and shadow to give a quality result and meaning in the sculptures. Forms will be also appear when light and shadow can be used properly. So that's all for my presentations. Thank you, sir.